trainers, Dawn Lang here, coming from the training room. So my tip today is for new trainers that are trying to implement learning activities. So it can be a little bit hectic at first, especially if you're new. So here are 4 tips for you. The first one is make sure you give really clear and concise instructions. Consider posting them up on the wall, on a flip chart, on a slide, or actually on a handout so that they can reference them back during the activity. And make sure that the learners know exactly what the expectations or what the end product should look like. Next, it's really important that you get out there and monitor those learners doing the activities. Try to do it right away to make sure that they get off to a good start, and that way you can clarify any misunderstandings that they have and just make sure they're on the right track or get them back on track. The next one is to be sure that you give tight time limits. I always have a target time in mind and I let the learners in on that. Sometimes they can be a little more flexible, but you want to let them know how much time they have to complete the project. That way they will get started right away, and I also like to give reminders so they know how much time is left. And the 4th tip is to be sure you debrief your exercises by asking well-designed questions. That way you can find out what their key takeaways are. See what went well for them, where their struggles or frustrations are, and how they're going to use it back on the job. And that's my tip of the day.